This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Amanda Emanuel. Step into a world of luxury with this sophisticated modern floor plan, where convenience meets elegance at every turn. The first floor unveils a primary bedroom and ensuite, complete with dual closets. The office space adds versatility, perfect for work or relaxation. The home centerpiece is the gourmet kitchen. Its sleek design and top-tier appliances create a space for both cooking enthusiasts and entertainment connoisseurs. Venturing upstairs, discover 4 additional bedrooms, one of which serve as a secondary owner's suite. Beyond the interiors, the fenced yard and meticulously designed outdoor living area beckon for leisure and entertainment. Storage solutions abound, with a custom detached shed and a cleverly hidden storage closet tucked beneath the Trek decking, providing practicality. This residence embodies the fusion of modern luxury and practical living. Irrigation west/well 2. Explore this exceptional property and golf course amenities, pool, clubhouse, and tennis court. For more information, review the details below.